How you doing, guys? Welcome to another episode. This episode we have LEDs. Finally, after all those detailing episodes, finally we have some LEDs. Now this time I get something for the RAV4. I'm gonna change turn signals on the rear. You guys saw me already doing the turn signals on the front with the Cinetic USA. Those they have resistor include in the light. So that's my favorite brand when it came to a plug and play system. So I'm gonna put that episode right here so you can go and see that one where I did the installation on the turn signals on the front, which are switchbacks, white and amber. This case I get the rear ones, but these ones they have the resistor included in the light. And this is why I love Amazon Prime, guys. I ordered these lights yesterday, and today is Sunday. They're here. So I have the new light, and this episode is not sponsored. Look, this big package for that little box. JDM Toy LED series. So I get these ones because this is LEDs that doesn't need resistors. So first time open them, as you can see. I don't know how they gonna work. Hopefully they do get the job done, but there is a couple things about these lights. First of all, when you get this type of light, you cannot put LEDs on the front like these ones, the same ones, because if you put these ones on the rear turn signals and front turn signals, you're gonna have hyper flash. So you cannot put both ends on your vehicle. It has to be only one. So right now I remove my front ones. I have the stock ones just because I give the Cinetic USA ones to a friend. So that's why I have the stock ones in the front. But I want to purchase those front ones again, and I'm gonna put them on, and with these ones on the rear, and I want to see if I have hyper flash with these ones in the Cinetic USA. But right now I don't have them on the front. So that's the first warning. You cannot have these ones on the front and rear on your car because you're gonna have hyper flash. Another thing, these ones they have the resistor included built into the light. That's why these ones, they say that these ones burned out really quick. And when I get these ones, I was reading on the description of the product on Amazon, and it says that you cannot have them on more than 8 minutes. Probably why? Because the resistor is gonna overheat and it's gonna damage your light. So there is a couple warnings about these lights. Still, I'm gonna leave the link in the description if you wanna get them, but I'm gonna put them on the RAV4. And still, I don't use this truck a lot. I get it last year, and I only have 5,000 miles on the truck, so we really don't use it that much. I use my Accord as a daily, so that's what I use the most. And this one is just to go out with the family. So it's not like we use this one like a lot, but still I want to use these ones on the rear, and I'm gonna see how long they last. And if they get damaged or something, I will do an update episode for you guys. So let's do the installation. And this is something that is not new. You guys saw me doing this million times. 10 millimeter, 2 bolts. That's all it takes to remove these lights. You can use 7440 or 7443 for your turn signal. And like I was saying on the package of the new lights, there is the warnings. Okay, so if you get these lights, make sure you go through all this. But I think really they're gonna work good. So I don't know how long they're gonna last, because like I said, It's not like my other lights. They had the resistor built in the lights, so probably that's why the life of these lights is not very long. But still, I'm gonna use them, see if they last. But there you have it. No resistor needed. Okay, so I'm gonna remove those, but those I'm gonna keep them in the box, in this little plastic bag. I'm gonna keep them just in case the other one went out, so I can replace them. I'm gonna keep them in the truck. In this little warning, it says that if your lights are headlight bulb, don't use it on the headlights. Don't use it on the turn signals if they're built with the brake light. It's a bunch of warnings in here, so make sure you go through all this if you get them. Another thing that is important, this is not for German cars, because German cars, you know, they have another type of lighting and they're kind of complicated. That's why I don't like to work on Germans. Nothing against them, but if you have a BMW and you are able to fit this type of lights, they're never gonna go out on you, because you know BMW owners, they never use their turn signals anyways. So let me turn it on before I put everything back together. Oh, this thing is bright. My eyes hurt. So you see that one? That thing is super bright. And that's the stack one. Done. Let's turn the hazards on and see the difference. That thing hurts my eyes still with the housing. Super bright. I love them. What can I say? Look at this one. It looks really eh, like she's lazy. Like she barely wants to wake up. But this one looks like this one get energy drain. Look at it. So fast and bright. So there you have it, guys. Let me turn now the turn signal just to make sure that we don't have any hyper flash. As you can see, you have only turn signal right now. The other one is not flashing. That one is off. Turn signal without hyper flash. Now the real question is gonna be how long they're gonna last, because probably they get so hot for the resistor inside. We'll see, and I'm gonna keep an update and see how long they last. But I'm really excited because these ones are super bright. Okay, guys, so that's it for this episode. I hope you like it. If you have any questions, please comment down below, and I'm gonna be happy to help. Like I said, link is gonna be in the description for those. If you wanna get them, you can get them for the RAV4 7440, 7443, and I believe you can get them for your Honda Accord if you have a Honda Accord like mine. But when you go to Amazon, please check the fitment before you start buying the stuff, because some people return them because they're not careful enough, and then they have to return it because they didn't fit. Check on your check when you do the purchase on Amazon, and I believe it's for both cars, for my Accord and for my RAV4, but this is compatible for 7440, 7443. And my Accord, for the rear ones, I know I can put them on the rear turn signals, but on the front ones it uses 1157, so be careful when you do the purchase. Make sure that they fit. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one. Peace.